Hi, Cassidy. Okay, so these are your spelling words for the week, but we might as well use the lesson for coding as well. Okay, so when we are coding, remember we are understanding each sound. Each letter makes a certain sound, and some letters make different sounds in different words. Okay, so we're going to study now each one of these words and what sound each letter is making in that word. Remember, sometimes letters work with other letters to create a sound. So when a letter is making a sound by itself, it will get a dot by itself. When two letters are working together to create one sound together, they'll get a line together. Sometimes more than two letters will work together to create one sound. So this is what it will look like. We will code them together as one sound in those instances. Okay, so let's look more closely at these words. Remember the letter G to start with. The letter G can make two different sounds. It can sound like G for golden girl, and it can sound like J for giraffe. This is the perfect word to remind us of both of the sounds that the letter G can make, because the letter G actually uses both the sounds in this word. So, G, A for apple, R, A, like in the word bath. So, A and A, and then G and J. And then here we have a cross, so this letter is silent in this word. So let's do the sounds again. G, A, R, A, J. So the word is garage. All right. Number 2, the C and an R together sound like cr. The E and the A together sound like E. These are letters that can work together to create two different sounds. In some words, the E and the A together sound like E, but in other words, the E and the A together sound like A, like in the word head. H-A-D will give you the word head. But in this word, they are working together to create the E sound. So the word is creature, creature. So you'll notice the T-U-R-E are working together to create a sound that sounds like this. Ch-a. Remember, this is A for umbrella. So ch-a, ch. So creature is a creature. A creature is something that is created. So I am a creature that is created by God, say for instance. Okay. And then the S and the T together sound like st. The letter U can sound like U when it's wearing a cap in the coding, or it can sound like A for umbrella, or it can sound like U for unicorn. So here it sounds like U for unicorn. St, U, P, E, D. Stupid. Stupid. When someone is stupid, they are not considered very clever. Number 4, the sounds are P, A, N, T, in, G. Painting. So the A and the I together sound like A, like in the word rain, and nail. So A, P, A, N, T, in, G. Painting. The I and the N together are already a recognizable word, and the word is in. So you are more than welcome to code it as in, as give them a line together to make them sound like a word, in, or you can code them separately as E and N, because they will still produce the same sound, in and then G. Let's do it again. P, A, N, T, in, G. Painting. And then number 5, S and C together sound like skr. S and C together sound like sk, like in the word scar and scale. So it's sk. So let's do the whole word. Sk, r, a, b, in g. Scrubbing. Scrubbing. I am scrubbing the floor. I am painting the wall. And then the letter A here will sound like A for apple. W, A, R, where, H, ow, S, house. Warehouse. Warehouse. A warehouse is a place that you use to store. It's a storage place. So you store equipment in a warehouse. Okay? W, E, R, H, ow, S, warehouse. And then S, M, A, Sh, D, smashed. Someone smashed into my car window and stole my bag. Smashed. F, I, L, F, E, filthy. Remember, the letter Y can make 3 different sounds. It can sound like Y, it can sound like E, and it can sound like I. So in the word filthy, it sounds like E for injection, which is a sound that actually belongs to the letter I, at least one of them. F, I, L, F, E, filthy. Oops, wonderful is not coded. W, the letter O is supposed to sound like O or O. It's not sounding like any of its usual sounds, so we indicate that in our coding with these 2 lines. And now we know that in this word, the letter O is making a completely different sound to any of the sounds that it should be making. In this word, it sounds like A, okay? N, D, F, U. When we need the letter U to sound like U, in our coding, we put a cap on it. L. So let's try those sounds again. W, A, N, D, F, U, L. Wonderful. Wonderful. W, A, N, D, F, U, L. Wonderful. Okay, and then we have the word A, D, V, E, N, ch. Remember the T-U-R-E together makes the ch sound. Ch, a, ch. So A, D, V, E, N, ch. Adventure. Okay? And then we have the word O, K, A, Jen, A, L. Occasional. So the S-I-O-N is working together to create a sound that sounds like this. J, A, N, Jen, Jen. O, K, A, Jen, A, L. Occasional. Okay? M, in, I, M, A, M. Minimum. Okay? Something that is occasional doesn't happen very often. It happens once in a while. And then the word M, in, I, M, A, M. Minimum means the smallest amount. The minimum. You must make sure that you drink a minimum of 8 glasses of water per day. This word is th, r, u, out. Throughout. This is silent, this is silent, and this is silent. So the only sounds you can hear are th, r, u, out. Throughout. And then the last word, m, ow, n, t, a, n, z. Mountains. The letter S should sound like S, but because we've got the lines on it, it sounds like Z. M, ow, n, t, a, n, z. Mountains. Okay, so I hope that helps you understand all the sounds in your spelling words a little.